Using both the physical and the on-screen keyboard on your Lenovo tablet is easy. Let's go on to settings here on the Lenovo tablet on the left-hand side. Let's keep scrolling until we reach this option here that says pen and keyboard. So click on that. So here you see that we currently have the physical keyboard right here connected to the Lenovo tablet. So let's go ahead and select that option right here, physical keyboard. And here's the option where it says use on-screen keyboard. Let's go ahead and make sure that is toggled on. And now all we have to do is test. So let's go ahead and select Notepad here. Let's create a new note. And now all we have to do is that we can either use the on-screen keyboard here, or we can use the physical one. So I'm going to press the letter G on the keyboard here, and the letter G comes up. So that's how you use both the on-screen keyboard and the physical keyboard at the same time for the Lenovo tablet.